Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, LaffinBoy here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to reset the big money on the races on Need for Speed Heat. Now, what I mean by big money is, as you can see here on the resort circuit, the payout right now for me is $48,510. That is not the payout that I showed you in a previous video. The payout that I showed you in a previous video is $21,774 currently for me. Now, in order to reset that one, you simply go back to your garage and then come back out. That is not a glitch, like I posted last time. Not a glitch. It's not going to be patched. You don't have to hurry up and do that today. But anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about how to reset this one. Now, I'll tell you, really simply, all you have to do to reset that is to go to your pause menu and go to this option right here. Push quit to lobby and then go back. It doesn't matter if you want to, if you're doing this in solo or online. All you have to do is quit to lobby and then go back to either solo or online play. Now, for those of you who want proof or just enjoy my videos, I'm going to go over here and do my favorite race in my brand new Corvette. As you can see, the payout right now is $48,510. And I'm going to do the race in fast forward. And there you have it. Now the big money bank is $36,383. So what I'm going to do now is quit to lobby. Now we just go over here to play solo, or if you want to go and play online, it doesn't matter. Just pick one and have fun. Now you do, of course, have to sit through a couple of cutscenes or load screens, but you do not have to restart the application. And once you get back in here, go to your map, and there it is, $48,510. Now, before I end the video, I want to let you guys know that yes, I do intend to showcase my crew garage in every video that I make for Need for Speed Heat. I cannot tell you how many videos that's going to be, but if you would like to join the crew is LaffinLane. Just send a request, and either me or Wyatt or somebody will let you into the crew so that maybe your car will be on my next video. Here are the current ones. There are not many of us. There's a few open slots. Anyway, that is it for me today. I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was informative. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. LaffinBoy out.